Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. I am here with the most requested video, EID hairstyles video. This time I tried कि बहुत easy hairstyles हो, जल्दी जल्दी बन जाएं ताकि उन लड़कियों के लिए भी easy हो बनाना जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता है, घर देखना है, kitchen देखना है, and you know all that sort of stuff. Like this one, this hairstyle is super easy, quick. It just takes 2 minutes. और अगर आपको prominent earrings पहननी है जैसे statement earrings और झुमकास like these, then this hairstyle is perfect for you क्योंकि इसमें earrings काफ़ी ज़्यादा prominent होके नज़र आती हैं. इसके अलावा the other hairstyles are pretty easy as well. Let's just dive into the video. Do like, do share, do subscribe, and let's start. So first hairstyle is going to be a blend of fishtail braid and regular 3-strand pulled out braid. I'm going to take a section of my hair. I'm going to split it into 2 sections, and then I'm going to take a strand from the left section and pass it under the right section. Then I'm going to take a strand from the right section and pass it under the left section. Again, take a strand from the left section and pass it under the right section. Take a strand from the right section and pass it under the left section. This is a basic fishtail braid. You can make it for your whole hair, for sections of your hair, but this is how you basically do it. I'm going to repeat it. Take a strand from the right section and pass it under the left section. Then take a strand from the left section and pass it under the right section. I'm going to be repeating the same steps till the end of this hair section, and I'm going to pin it up really nicely. Then I'm going to take another section of my hair and I'm going to make a simple 3-strand braid. Then I'm going to pull it out very nicely so that it looks big, and I'm going to pin this braid as well. And that would be it for this side, and I'll just repeat the same on the other side and the hairstyle will be done. Very chic and easy, isn't it? As I've guessed from my comment section that you guys love buns, so I've included a bun hairstyle as well. I'm going to separate a section of my hair like this, and I'm going to tie the rest like you can see. Then I'm going to take a smaller section. I'm going to split it into 3 strands. We are going to make a Dutch braid, so listen carefully. I'm going to pass the left strand under the middle, then right strand under the middle. Then I'm going to add hair to the right strand and I'm going to pass it under the middle strand. I will not be adding any hair to the left strand. I'm just going to simply pass it under the middle strand. Again, I'm going to add hair to the right strand and pass it under the middle strand and pass the left strand under the middle strand. Again, I'm going to add hair to the right strand and pass it under the middle strand and pass the left strand under the middle strand. And I'm going to repeat the same for the rest of the hair section. I will pull out the braid nicely. This step is very important if you want your hairstyle to be prominent, otherwise it does not look very prominent. Then I'm going to untie the rest of my hair. I'm going to split it into 2 sections and I'm going to make a twist braid. Just twist the 2 sections around each other and you will get that. Then I'm going to turn this into a bun. I like it to be messy, so I pull out my hair. You can skip this step, it's all up to you. Then I'm going to pin it up nicely. It looks a bit messy, but it will look better eventually when I pin it up. But then again, I like my buns to be messy. It's all up to you how you like it. If you want it very neat, then you can just not pull out the hair and pin up the twist braid. Now once you have pinned up your bun nicely, just pass the Dutch braid and pin it up under your bun. And there you go, your Dutch braid bun is ready. Looks very nice, very trendy, and it's super quick. So guys, that was it for today's hairstyles. I'm sure you guys loved it. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. I have also made a tutorial of this makeup look which I will be uploading next. So stay tuned to my channel and I'll see you guys very soon.